Well, Ian, thank you for joining us. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what brought you here and the companies you're involved in?
Well, I'm a general partner and the co-founder of Greycroft. We set up the firm in 2006 to go after early stage digital media companies looking for Series A funding. Prior to that, I was an entrepreneur, and prior to that, I was a VC. So, two-time VC or recovering entrepreneur, as people say. And I came out here, I guess, to learn more and to meet with more interesting companies. And the speakers have been great. It's a good opportunity to get out of the usual day-to-day that I'm involved in working on my businesses and kind of get a broader holistic picture of the market.
I know you spoke at length about this on the panel, but maybe you can give us what's the most important thing you're looking for when you interview entrepreneurs that you'd like them to take away from their day and a half here in Sundance?
Entrepreneurs really interview me. Um, I ask the questions, but they ultimately have the choice of who they work with. Um, I think there's a lot of conversation over the last day and a half about culture and building high quality teams. And startup companies, you know, from the outside may look like everything's up and to the right, but that's never the case when you're inside. So I'd say don't give up would be the first thing. And the second thing is build teams to last, because you'll go through changes over time, and recruiters will call your best people. And if you don't focus on culture and team building, you'll be exposed.
What have you taken away from the day and a half here that you think will serve you in your efforts?
You know, I don't think there's a lot of innovation, broadly speaking, in the venture business. And it's always nice to talk to entrepreneurs who are doing a lot more innovation to get inspiration for our own practices at Greycroft. It's the start of a year. It's nice to sit back and think about what we're going to do in 2013 to change our business and to get better every year. So it's a good opportunity to do that.
How much can the new entrepreneurs learn from the successful entrepreneurs that have gone before them, given how rapidly technologies change, business models change, funding models change, etc.?
Well, some things don't change. Sales doesn't change. People who are good people typically don't change. So I think the ability to open your Rolodex, to open your customer file, to make introductions, that's really the high value that people get from interactions with experienced people who've built companies before and have been there before.